Hello everyone, my name is Eric Jones, better known as the Turf Teacher, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for one of our seminars that we are teaching throughout the state for the next few months. If you need to get all 7 hours of your landscape contractor credits and you need to get some irrigation credits, then these seminars are for you. So let's go ahead and open up a browser. And we have here the home page. And as you can see, we do have the online courses available, but that's not what you're here for. You're here to learn about the seminars. It's turfteacher.com, turfteacher.com, and you're going to scroll to the seminar schedule. You're going to click on that, and we are doing the Life Lessons and Landscape Lectures seminar. We're traveling around the state. As you can see, previous pictures of our seminars. But we have the dates listed below, and they are for 7 NCLCLB credits and 10 NCICLB credits. So if you stay all day, you get all 7 landscape contractor and you get 10 irrigation credits. You'll receive 4 business credits for both licensing boards and the remaining landscape and irrigation credits respectively for each license. The 4 business hours will be taught from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m., and then the technical credits will be presented. If you only need landscape contractor credits, you will be finished at 3 p.m. If you need the remaining irrigation hours, then you will continue until 6 p.m. We will break for a 1-hour lunch from 12 to 1 just because of the length of the course. Guys, everybody's tired at the end of the day, so we do need that break in between. The cost per credit hour is $40, and you must be present for all 7 or 10 credits. You cannot sign up just for a couple of credits. You'll click on the link to register for the seminar of your choice. So, you can't just sign up, say, hey, I need 2 business credits. No, you've got to be there either for all 7 hours or all 10 hours. And as you can see, we started in February. If you see the text in black, that means the class has already happened. If you see the green hyperlinks, that means you can still take the courses. And so let's say you're a procrastinator and you want to go ahead and sign up for the July 27th or the July 28th class that we're having in Raleigh. We'll click on the July 27th one. And so that will take you to the registration page. You will fill in your first name, last name, your email address, confirm your email address. If you only need landscape contractor credits, you'll click this button right here, and it'll be $280. If you need all irrigation credits as well, if you need the 7 landscape contractor and the 10 irrigation credits, you'll select right here and it'll be $400. But then you'll click I'm not a robot, and yes, sign up for my email newsletters, and then click continue. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna show you what we're doing. I've got to put in my personal email address because I'm already in the system as Eric E. Jones at Turf Teacher, and it'll kick me out. And let's say I want to just do the 7 hours. Click I'm not a robot. Yes, I'd like to see. And then I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to take me to the payment page. If you want to use PayPal, that's fine. If not, hit collect pay with debit or credit card. And then you will fill in this information, okay? That will get you, paid up, and then you will receive an email that you are coming to the class. So hopefully that helps you get set up. I'm going to go ahead and close this one out, and we're back to the home page. So again, it's just underneath the seminar schedule, and as you can see, the ones in green are the ones that we have left. So you can come all day, get 7 hours landscape contractor credits, and stay a few extra hours and get all 10 of your irrigation contractor credits. There will not be any pesticide credits in these courses. Anyway, guys, I appreciate it, and we will see you in the next lecture.